Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the reasons of automation. The first reason is to increase the labor productivity. As we make use of automation, the labor productivity increases. For example, if you give one worker a lathe machine and another worker a CNC machine, the worker who is working on the CNC machine will produce more product per hour when compared to the worker who is working on the lathe machine. The second reason is to reduce the labor cost. As by using automation, the number of direct and indirect labors will be reduced. So therefore, the labor cost will also be reduced by making use of automation. Next reason is to mitigate the effort of labor shortages. There are some developing countries where there is a labor shortage. So to mitigate these labor shortages, we can make use of automation. Next reason is to reduce or eliminate routine, manual and clerical tasks. So, in the industry there may be some routine, manual and clerical tasks which are very fatigue to the workers. Such tasks can be automated. Next reason is to improve worker safety. The worker safety will be improved by making use of automation. There are some areas, okay, where the human being cannot work, such as nuclear power plants and other chemical industries. In such areas, we can make use of automation and we can provide more safety to the worker by making use of automation, by making use of some safety switches on the machine. Next reason is to improve product quality. Definitely, the product quality will be improved by making use of automation, as we are making use of CNC machine, robots and other uh, equipments which are operating by means of a program, which is nothing but a set of instruction. So the errors or mistakes will be less, therefore the overall product quality will improve because of making use of automation. The next reason is to reduce manufacturing lead time. Manufacturing lead time is nothing but setup time, the time required to set up the tool or the workpiece or to load or unload the workpiece from the machine. So these time are called as lead times or non-productive times. So these times can be reduced by making use of automation. In the CNC machine, we make use of automatic tool changer, ATC. Similarly, automatic pallet changers, APC. So they will automatically change the tools. Okay. So there the time is saved. The time required to change the tool will be saved. So therefore, this will save our uh, manufacturing lead time, and the manufacturing lead time will be reduced. The next reason is to accomplish process that cannot be done manually. So there are some processes in the industry which are difficult to do by the workers, such as lifting of heavy jobs or more critical works. So such a task can be done by making use of automation, by making use of robots or other equipments. The next reason is to avoid the high cost of non-automating. So if we don't automate the process, if we don't implement the automation, the cost of the product will improve. So therefore, to mitigate this, we make use of automation. So these are the some of the benefits of making use of automation.